Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today, the entire sales team, we are here at a local bowling alley called Kinbo, and it's an award for our group because we hit our conversion rate this past month in December. So we all have come to the bowling alley to have a good time at Kinbo and enjoy lunch and bowling for about an hour. I'm up to bat. And that's been the story of today. So we've got all the sales team back here. We've had a really good day. We're finishing up. I have to pick up this spare. And that one always gets away from you. So that's all we got this week. We're going to be looking to keep that conversion rate real high at WireCrafters. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.